Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the China-Pakistan joint air exercises, that is the Shaheen series. Uh, this one is Shaheen 10, and the official press release dated 5 September 2023 states as follows. Sino-Pak joint air exercise Shaheen 10 commences in northwest China. The Sino-Pak Joint Annual Air Exercise Shaheen 10 has commenced in the Jiuquan and Yinchuan cities of northwest China. Pakistan's lead fighter aircraft J-10C and JF-17 are participating in the exercise along with air and ground crew. People's Liberation Army Air Force and Pakistan Air Force have been conducting Shaheen joint exercises since 2011, which are being hosted by both countries on an alternate basis. Shaheen exercises aim to enhance the aerial combat practices, operational readiness, promoting interoperability, and creating synergy among the participating strategic and time-tested allies in the region. Moreover, incorporation of features like hybrid warfare, cyberspace, and computing in this air exercise would augment Pakistan Air Force effectiveness in dynamic and evolving landscape of modern warfare. The exercise would leverage the Iron Brother countries to develop a comprehensive defense strategy to further consolidate their capacity of safeguarding their aerial boundaries in the face of shared challenges. The 10th joint aerial exercise between Venerable People's Liberation Army Air Force and Pakistan Air Force heralds an remarkable endeavor to strengthen the bonds of camaraderie and unity between the air forces of both countries. The exercise is set to evaluate the caliber of practical combat training for participating adroit pilots and valiant personnel. Through such joint ventures, PF reaffirms its unwavering commitment to foster regional harmony, international security, and perpetual advancement in its own prowess. That was the official statement released on 5 September 2023 regarding the start of this air exercise. Now, my comments about this exercise is that I uh, I regard it as more important than, for example, uh, other exercise that are not other exercises that are not regular so regular. So if this exercise is repeated every year on alternate locations of China and Pakistan, so this has been happening very regularly since 2011. So this shows that this exercise would be very comprehensive and not just a show off that today many countries in the world show by these exercises that they have so many allies with them. Uh, that I don't think those are technically very uh, rewarding for those countries. They have more of a political message in that. But exercises, these kind of joint exercises like these are, I think, more comprehensive and those kind of that give real output in the sense of interoperability and jointness that can be achieved by this kind of cooperation. Secondly, the as PF doesn't need also a twin engine aircraft in its fleet. So while it's facing mostly uh, the two-engine fighter aircrafts in combat. So that's, I think, gives valuable experience because the nature of single engine and double engine aircraft are different. The double engine aircraft has a larger heat and radar signature, so that's a disadvantage to them. But at the same time, they can they have larger avionics, and a larger radar, uh, uh, and larger area to carry different type of avionics and missiles, larger load to carry, larger range. So the nature of a single engine and a double engine aircraft are different. So I think uh, in these kind of exercises, uh, the single engine planes get valuable experiences regarding the weaknesses of, for example, double engine aircrafts. Uh, you can practice against them and know the advantage and disadvantages of each one of them. That is very important uh, in the sense of that. Moreover, I would like to hear your comments that what kind of videos you are interested in, and please comment and like the video so that I can make more videos in the future. And you can suggest the topics of the videos too that can be related to technology, history, or even international relations, because these are my areas of interest. So I will be back with another video uh, soon. Till that time, take care. Bye.